Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made some super cute Easter baskets, but this is also a great way to make gift baskets in general. Hey YouTube, so last week was Easter Sunday and I made these baskets like the night before Easter. And I came across the cutest, most fabulous, beautiful Easter baskets from Five Below. These Easter baskets were $5 a piece, but when I walked in Five Below and I saw these, especially this one, doesn't that one with the fringe remind you of Tina Turner dresses, where she would just have all that cute little just shimmer on there when she would dance back and forth? That's what I instantly thought of when I saw that. So I picked up a few things from multiple stores over the last couple weeks, just so I could have enough stuff to put together these baskets when I was ready. This is a huge, giant sticker activity book, so there's plenty of stickers in it. And then the stickers aren't just small stickers. These stickers are humongous, and there's these beautiful scenic pages, and then there's also pages that you can draw and color on. This cute book, Minnie Mouse, it has stencils, stickers, and then also where you can just draw, and also scenic pages where you can put the stickers as well. So I just knew when I saw this Lisa Frank one, I had to get that one as well. These stickers are even bigger and they're bright, super girly, metallic. My daughter, my oldest daughter is 11. She loves like bright, cute, fun stuff. So I got her this one. It's Lisa Frank. So the other two baskets, one is for my little cousin, which is 4, and then my other daughter who is 5. So I came across some Barbies that were like marked all the way down. I got some snacks from Dollar Tree. I got some cute little lip glosses, and I'm just gonna and some cute cups, and I'm just gonna kind of put everything together in these baskets. Of course, the activity pads won't fit inside the baskets. At first, I thought I could probably like bend them together and put them in the back, but it didn't work out like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of sort things out. These cups are Hello Kitty. There's like some Barbie Princess cups, and then the other cup is actually a My Little Pony cup. So those are all characters and things that I know that they like. There's toothbrushes. There's press-on nails. These are like My Little Pony toothbrushes and Barbie. These are some cute candy themed lip balms. These are the nail wraps. And then I even have these cute coloring books and activity reading books. My youngest daughter, as you know, know that she loves Sonic the Hedgehog. So as soon as I saw that coloring book, I was like, okay, I definitely have to get that for her. So I wanted it to be, you know, not just snacks, but I wanted it to be like some learning stuff in there. Just a little bit of everything. So these eggs, it came with quite a few in there. I was like, I don't have nothing to put in these eggs, but I remember that I did buy some Hershey's Kisses. So I'm just going to put 2, maybe 3 Hershey's Kisses inside of these eggs. I didn't really want to do jelly beans. I don't like giving people opened or unwrapped candy. So I thought the Hershey's Kisses would be cool. So I'm just going to add some Hershey's Kisses to these eggs. And you know what I forgot? I remember when I was a little girl, if I didn't get anything else, like I always got like a basket of some sort, like somebody would probably be selling them, or a church would give some baskets away or something like that. The cute little wicker baskets with the green grass in it. But I know one thing for certain, my mother, she will always give me a giant Easter bunny. And I remember I would like one day bite off an ear, the next day bite off the next ear. It seemed like that big chocolate Easter bunny would last me forever. That's one thing I did forget, or maybe I didn't see them, but usually I get them like a small, like chocolate Easter bunny. That's like the only thing I feel like I'm missing. Okay, so now I am going to start adding things inside of the baskets. Now these baskets are deep. They are so deep. I was able to fit quite a bit. So if it looked like I just had a whole bunch of stuff, I didn't want these baskets to seem like they were stingy or just flimsy. So I bought quite a bit of stuff. And I was like, wow, these are so deep. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to have everything be seen. You know how they used to have the Easter baskets. They were like a bit lower. And you can kind of stack everything up so you can see what's inside. After I add everything in, I did end up finding some type of stuffing to put at the bottom, but it didn't give it too much height, but I feel like it gave it a little bit of height, but I'm just pretty much sorting everything out. I also purchased crayons as well for the Easter baskets. I tried to get the type of candy that I know they like. We cut back a lot on eating candy. So I did kind of, I don't know, I could have bought less candy. But we cut back. So I was like, okay, we'll just kind of ration it out a little bit. But then I have these I put together for the boys. I didn't get them baskets. I got my son the candy that I know he likes. I'm just cutting the tags off. My son, he's 16. And even though I still don't want him to feel left out. He's not, but I got him some Butterfingers, and he likes a Payday candy bar. And then for my little cousin who's 11, who is a boy, I was giving his sister a basket, so I didn't want him to feel left out. So I just got him like a toothbrush. You see the Colgate toothpaste, hot fries, and some Snickers. And he enjoyed it. Like, he felt like it was like cool. So I was like, okay, I don't want to leave anybody left out. So I'm just kind of going in, trying to raise up the baskets. Like I was telling you, I found like some stuffing I had from like some stuff that was shipped to me. It gave it some height, but not a lot, which I thought was still cool, because once they look inside, it's like, oh wow, I have this at the bottom. Oh, there's this, there's that. So it was still like a nice element of surprise, not being able to see everything right away. I'm just still blown away by how cute these Easter baskets are. Like, once all the candy is gone and they're cleared out, these can still be used to put like toys in. You can store things in them because they weren't thin or flimsy. They were actually made out of some decent fabric. Okay, so I'm just continuing to go ahead and stuff these baskets so they can look as neat and cute as possible. Now, they do have that paper. I forgot what that paper is called, but there's like that clear paper that you can wrap them with, and then put a bow at the top. I didn't do all of that. I didn't. What I did, I was going to just leave these on the table and like cover it with the sheet to surprise my daughters on Easter Day. But what I ended up doing is just letting them come downstairs and see it. They loved them. They really, really did. And then my little cousin, they came and they got theirs later on Easter Day. I know Easter is over, but this is still a really cute way that you can make some nice birthday baskets or whatever the occasion may be. And I really enjoyed doing this. The best thing to do is to start early, just gathering a few things beforehand, so you're not trying to just get everything all at once. At least that really worked for me. And just seeing things that I know that they will like. Cute little girly stuff. Okay guys, I think these baskets turned out really pretty. I think that they were very affordable. Like I said, it's just basically snacks. I'm just trying to give you a different angle of how they look down on the inside. Just little activities, little nails. Like I said, one of my favorite things were the big activity pads with the stickers, and the dolls were cool too because they were marked down to like $3, no more than $4 for those cute dolls. Then coloring books, crayons, a cute cup is always fun. Just cute fun things. If you don't want to do snacks, you could do more educational things, cute little pencils, pens, things of that nature, squishy toys. And the ages, again, my daughter is 11. The one in the middle was for her. The blue one was for my daughter who is 5, and then the silver one was for my 4-year-old little cousin. I didn't show the ones I did for the boys. It was just in a clear little bag with a couple things that they liked. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching my channel, you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com. And there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury-inspired faux leather fabric. And when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more. You guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe.